Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to make fresh fish black soup. Yeah, someone will say, hey, this girl, this Mayu, yeah, is black soup, and you can see what I'm eating with. You can eat with whatever you prefer to eat your soup with. Yeah, tastes very yummy. So this is my fresh fish I'm going to use. This is my mackerel. You can use any fish you want. And that's my cow trap, yemade. Yeah, that's what we call in Ghana. You add chopped onion and ginger and garlic paste. Yeah, and this my fresh tomatoes. You mash it. Yeah, you are not going to blend anything, so this soup is very easy to prepare it. You don't need any blender to do this. And you add your eggplant. That's the we call it intropo in Ghana. Yeah, you add it to it, and then you add fresh pepper. You can add more if you want more pepper. You can add more, and you add your tomato puree. Yeah, then you add your shrimp Maggi tablets or any spices you prefer to add with your soup. You add it to it, and you add salt for taste. Be careful with the salt. Yeah, and you mix everything nice like this. It's very easy. This soup is very easy. Very easy. You don't need any blender to blend this. Only thing you need to chop it, and you set your fire to medium high temperature. Cover it, let it be cooked. Yeah, let it be boiled. Yeah, and you shake it. When you see it's cooking, you shake it small, because otherwise the fish will be under. So you shake it small, and then you open it. You stir it gently. Yeah, so you season it. You want your fish to taste very delicious for you. You cover it again, then you open it again. So remove all the fish from inside. Yeah, we are making fish soup. That's why I add yemade to it. So after remove the fish, stir it again. You add cooked water. You need hot water. Yeah, you add it to it, and then you stir it. You need enough water to cook the eggplant. Yeah, you stir it nice, and then the yemade inside also is hard, so you need more water to cook it. You cover it halfway and let it be cooked until you see the eggplant is soft for you. When you stir it, you can see it's already soft. So now add the fish. The fish, you remove it because it's almost done. So you add the fish and you stir it. I'm thanking my old subscriber and my old followers, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. And you add mushroom to it. It's optional, yeah, but I prefer to add the mushroom. You add small water and let it be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes until you see everything is okay for you. It's ready to serve. You see, it's very easy to prepare it. Enjoy. I hope you will try it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.